A registered plumber has installed all water lines in your home in accordance with state and local building codes. The shutoff valve for the water in each home is located in the mechanical closet in the laundry room. The valve is normally located approximately 18 inches above the floor with a flat quarter-turn lever handle. This valve will turn off the water to your entire home. Additionally, your home is equipped with individual shutoff valves adjacent to each fixture in case a repair is needed to that particular fixture. In case of an emergency, please refer to your Who to Call list on your Home Buyer homepage to find the appropriate trade partner.